Towi Media is here again with matters on your phone. Now, if you want to understand the precise way in which you can text 250 people without necessarily adding them to a broadcast, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification button to always have a notification on our new video. Okay, welcome back. My name is Towi and you are on Towi Media, where you will learn so much about your smartphone. So hit the subscription button. Okay, let's jump right into our video. Okay, so if you want to text 250 people at the same time without putting them on a broadcast list or all of those stuff, go to Play Store, click on the search icon and download whatstool. Whatstool. That's it. Whatstool. That's it. So when you type whatstool, you hit on download. You click on it. Then you see open download. So when you see download, you download. When you see open, it means you have already downloaded it. So click on whatstool for bulk WhatsApp. Then are you seeing this, the app? So you click on it and then you click open once you have downloaded it. Okay, so now we are in whatstool. We're in whatstool, and you can see you can also download your status from whatstool. Okay, so you can download your status, you can send direct chats, you can do so many things. You can save WhatsApp, Instagram posts, you can send stickers and all of those stuffs from here. But if you want to message a bulk audience, if you want to message your bulk audience, this is what you are going to do. You are going to enter your whatstool, then you go down, you click on bulk automatic sender. Now you click start now. Okay, so while you are in this place, you click select contact, or you can click select group. Just click select contact. Okay, so you select the people that you want to send to. Okay, so you select
the contact in which you want to send. You so choose the contact. If you want to choose any contact, just select. But for now, let me choose this. Let me choose 10. But you can select as much as possible. Do you understand? You can select as much as possible. Remember, I told you 250. It doesn't mean that you can text only 250. You can text 1,000 contacts at once using this method. Do you understand? That's already 50 something. Okay.
Text them at once. So I'll click selected. I told you can text more contact. You can text 1,000. This is not broadcast stuff. So you enter your message. You enter your message here. Any message you have, you enter here. Okay. Now you click send by. Is it WhatsApp or WhatsApp business? Are you using WhatsApp or WhatsApp business? You click there, and then you hit what? You hit next. Now they'll ask you choose way to start sending. Is it manual? Do you want to send it manually? Or is it automatic? Now click on automatic. You can also click on manual, but me, I just like doing automatic. Okay, so you see they'll tell you add delay in sending. Okay, so you can do delay in sending by 4 seconds. So you increase it to 4 seconds so that it will delay when they send one message. They should delay at most 4 seconds before they send the next, so that you will not get your account flagged. Because when you send so much messages, like 250 contacts, like 1000 contacts at the same time with no delay interval, your account might be flagged. So remember to always set your delay at 4. I wish that it could have even been more, so set it at 4 seconds. Okay, then you click start. Are you seeing the send? Pap goes back, send. You see, so that's how you do it. So once you are here, the thing just continues to be sending. It just sends alone and nothing you have to do. So it is delaying. After 4 seconds it will send the next one. After 4 seconds it will send the next one. After 4 seconds it will send the next one. So that's how it, okay, after 4 seconds it delays. After 4 seconds it sends the next one. Okay, so thank you very much for being here and watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to click and tap this screen to watch another video from me, because I have more video that will help you use your phone and make so much profit and productivity while using your phone. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.